Hello everyone, Namaskar, welcome to once again in video class. Don't forget to keep the date, that is 18/6/20, and today we are going to learn about chapter number 7, common noun and proper noun. Yesterday we have seen nouns, naming words, and today we are going to learn about its kind, that is common and proper noun. So let's get started with the learning objective of common and proper noun. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify common nouns, you will be able to identify proper nouns, you will be able to identify difference between common and proper noun, even you can spare out or figure out what kind of noun it is. इसका मतलब है इस चैप्टर के खत्म होते तक या अंत तक आपको कॉमन और प्रॉपर नाउन आइडेंटिफाई करना आ जाएगा, आपको दोनों के डिफरेंसेस आइडेंटिफाई करने आ जाएंगे और आप कॉमन और प्रॉपर नाउन के काइंड्स को स्पेयर आउट भी कर सकते हो, फिगर आउट भी कर सकते हो कि ये कॉमन नाउन होता है और ये प्रॉपर नाउन होता है. सो डियर किड्स, व्हाट आर कॉमन नाउन्स? कॉमन नाउन इज अ जनरल नेम ऑफ द सेम काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. एक ही जैसे काइंड के नेम को, पर्सन के नेम को, प्लेस के नेम को, एनिमल के नेम को या थिंग के नेम को हम कॉमन नाउन बोलते हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन इज अ स्पेशल नेम. प्रॉपर नाउन एक स्पेशल नेम होता है पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस या थिंग का. सो वी कैन से अ प्रॉपर नाउन इज अ स्पेशल नेम दैट नेम्स अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. अ प्रॉपर नाउन कैन बी मेड अप ऑफ मोर देन वन वर्ड. प्रॉपर नाउन मोर देन वन वर्ड का भी हो सकता है. ओके, देन अ प्रॉपर नाउन ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर, जो कि हमने पहले भी जब हम चैप्टर कर रहे थे तब रीड किया था. तो आपको कॉमन और प्रॉपर नाउन का मीनिंग आई होप के समझ में आ गया हो. नाउ लेट्स सी हियर. अ नाउन इज अ पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन. प्रॉपर नाउन स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, common noun general characteristics. General, not capitalized, that means they are not capitalized and they are capitalized. Okay, specific capitalized, they are of specific characters, they are of general characters, they are of capitalized, they are not of capitalized. That means हम common noun को capital letters में नहीं लिखते हैं, whereas हम proper noun को capital letters में ही लिखते हैं. और ये स्पेसिफिक होता है, ये जनरल होता है या कॉमन होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेंसिल, पेंसिल कोई भी पेंसिल हो सकती है, लेकिन इफ आई से अप्सरा की पेंसिल तो वो प्रॉपर नाउन में आएगी. एंड हियर मिसेस स्मिथ, मिसेस स्मिथ इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, दे हैव स्पेसिफाइड. ओके, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस इफ आई से टीचर, सो टीचर इज अ कॉमन नाउन, क्योंकि मैंने किसी का भी नेम स्पेसिफिकली या पर्टिकुलरली लिया नहीं है. सो इट्स अ कॉमन नेम. So here Mrs. Smith is proper noun and pencil is common noun. Now turn the page and come to page number 19. As I told you earlier also, nouns are categorized in two types, proper and common. They have a name. Proper means they have a name, whereas common, they do not have a name. For example, car, country, singer, drink, app. Car, Audi, it's have a name, so it's a proper noun. England, it's a name of country. Justin, singer. Pepsi, drink. Then app, app is English 10. Alright, so this all have name, so it's a proper noun. They do not have name, so it's a common noun. And as you can see, they do not have any name, so they are denoted as common nouns, and they have name, so they denote as proper nouns. Now turn the page and let's begin with the exercise portion. Common noun and proper noun. Let us see the definitions from the worksheet. Common nouns name a person, place or thing. They do not begin with a capital letter. Whereas proper noun names a specific person, place or thing. They always begins with a capital letter. Underline here, common noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Underline this, so it will remind that you have to read this before doing this exercise, and you will be able to learn it also. And it's a specific name. Just do zigzag here. Specific name, specific person, place or thing. Then it begins with a capital letter. Now let us do the exercise. Write a proper noun for each common noun. कॉमन नाउन हमें ऑलरेडी दिए गए हैं, हमें इसके प्रॉपर नाउन्स लिखने हैं. दैट मीन्स हमें इन्हें नेम देना है. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स डू इट. ट्रक, तो फोर्ट, they had already written. Restaurant, I had written spicy spoon. You can write the name of restaurant, any of the name of restaurant instead of spicy spoon if you want. Park, I had written Sardar Bagh. Girl, Priya, I had given the name girl Priya. Then teacher, Mrs. Vyas. School, New Era Global School. Store, Umya Supermarket. Then movie, Spider-Man. Boy, Ram. Dog, Tom. River, Ganga. Cartoon, Doraemon. So I had given the name cartoon as Doraemon, river, Ganga, then dog, Tom, boy, Ram. The movie name I had written Spider-Man. The store name I had written Umya Supermarket. School name I had written our school name, New Era Global School. Teacher's name I had written Mrs. Vyas. Girl name I had written Priya. Then park name I had written Sardar Bagh. Restaurant name I had written Spicy Spoon. And truck name they had already given Ford. Now turn the page, come to the next exercise, page number 21. Common and proper nouns. Cut this first instruction, cut out the noun, cut this line, because if we will cut this nouns, we will lose the last of this page also. So we will not cut it down. Instead of cutting, what we are going to do is, we are going to write the names in common and proper noun. Okay, what we have to do is sort common and proper noun and put the pairs together. हमको पेयर में वर्क करना है. अब अभी तक हम क्या कर रहे थे, कॉमन नाउन दिए गए थे, हम प्रॉपर नाउन ढूंढ रहे थे, मगर अब हमें क्या करना है, कॉमन और प्रॉपर नाउन को पेयर भी करना है. तो चलो करते हैं. एक आध करने से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि किस तरीके से करना है. ऑलराइट, दे हैड गिवन अस नेम्स जो कि शफल्ड है. कॉमन और प्रॉपर नाउन दोनों ही एक साथ है. हमें क्या करना है, कॉमन को कॉमन वाले नाउन में लिख देना है, देन प्रॉपर को प्रॉपर वाले नाउन्स में लिख देना है. तो सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया, मैंने कॉमन नाउन्स को छाट लिया. आई सर्च कॉमन नाउन्स फ्रॉम दिस बॉक्स एंड आई हैड रिटन इट ओवर हियर. देन एज पर सीइंग द कॉमन नाउन आई हैड रिटन द नेम, that is the name of car, Mercedes, from here. I search the name of car, then I write it down here. As I know that name of anything, person, place is a proper noun, तो मैंने वैसा ही किया. तो सबसे पहले आप कॉमन नाउन्स को सर्च कर लो. कॉमन नेम्स को इस बॉक्स में से सर्च करते हैं. चलो, फर्स्ट इज कार, आई हैड रिटन कार. नेक्स्ट इज गर्ल, देन राइट इट डाउन गर्ल. Third one, write it down dog. Fourth one, write it down man. And fifth one, write it down day. Sixth, write it down month. And you also have to cut it down. कट करने से हमें पता चलेगा कि इतने वर्ड्स हमारे हो गए हैं. Then write it down river. Then subject. Then shop. Then country. Then book. Then mountain. Then town, then movie, and then teacher, and the last one is school. अगर आपकी स्पेस नहीं बचती है, you can make an extra line at the bottom of this table. Alright, and आपको scale से with the help of ruler, what you have to do, you have to make this line. So it will help you to write it down nicely and differentiate the things properly. Alright? Now let us search proper nouns. Car. Name of car I had written from this box. The first box I had searched the name of car. From the first box I could not find it down, so I had searched from the second column, second box. Yes, here it is. So I had written Mercedes. Now girl name I had written Mary. Dog name I had written Bella. Man name Mr. Wilson. It's here. Cut and write it down, Mr. Wilson. Now day, that is Tuesday. Month, March. River, fish river. See, it is already given, okay? I had not written it from myself, it is already given. So I cut fish river and write it down here. Then subject, it is given here. English, write it down here. Shop, shoprite, it's here. Country, that is Squamund. Squamund is a country which is in Namibia and it's an island. Okay, it's a island and it's a good travel place. Now, book, the Bible, mountain, Banbridge. Town, Namibia. What is Namibia? Do you know? Namibia is a town. Okay, it's a town and it's a beach place. We can say it's a coastal city. It's a beach place. Now, movie, Frozen. As you all know, it's an animated movie. Teacher, Miss Dahmen. It's written here. Then school, DHPS. As you all know, S refers to school. So here it is written DHPS. So I had written here DHPS. So as you can see how easy this exercise is. Only the thing which we have to do is, with the help of concentration and with the help of proper working, we can do anything. So this exercise also we have done. So dear kids, I hope that you all understand common and proper noun nicely by doing the revision of it. So tomorrow we are going to do chapter number 8, that is noun, singular and plural. Till then, bye and take care.